Playing Grand Slam Add and Subtract is a fun way to practice your addition and subtraction skills. The goal of the game is to pick the correct group of numbers that can be made from the numbers and operations shown on the left. The game begins with two numbers and operations on the left side and a playing field on the right with four groups of answer boxes to choose from. Calculate which answers you would get when you add and subtract these two numbers on the left. In this example, 7 plus 6 equals 13, and 7 minus 6 equals 1. This means we need to find a box on the right that has 13 and 1 inside it. Click on the square and the computer will check your answer. If your answer is correct, the progress at the bottom will increase 1 mark. If you make a mistake, the progress meter will go to 0 and you'll have to start again. Once you fill the progress meter all the way, you get to first base and you're able to try for second base. Since you have made it on base, the next time you make a mistake, the progress meter will go to 0, but you will not lose your position on base. As you advance in the game, you will have all 3 bases covered at once. This is known as bases loaded in baseball. When you get to this point, be very careful and double check each answer choice, because if you make a mistake with bases loaded, you will lose all your bases and have to start over. Continue to play the games until you complete all 3 rounds and earn the maximum number of stickers. We hope you have fun playing Grand Slam Add and Subtract. If you get stuck or want to find out the number of stickers you can earn, click the directions button below the game. Good luck!